How to get the last n rows of a pandas data frame? I have pandas data frame df1 and df2. df1 is vanilla data frame. df2 is indexed by stk_i.d and rpt_date. I can get the last 3 rows of df2 by while df1.9-3 column, give all the rows. Why? How to get the last 3 rows of df1, data frame without index? Pandas 0.10.1.
Don't forget DataFrame.tail. For example, df1.tail10.
This is because of using integer indices. 9 selects those by label over -3 rather than position, and this is by design. See integer indexing in pandas gotchas. In newer versions of pandas prefer lock or elect to remove the ambiguity of 9 as position or label. See the docs. As Wes points out, in this specific case you should just use tail.
How to get the last n rows of a pandas data frame? If you are slicing by position, _getItem_, i.e., slicing with, works well, and is the most succinct solution I've found for this problem. This is the same as calling df.illic-3 column, for instance, illic internally delegates to _getItem_. As an aside, if you want to find the last n rows for each group, use groupie and groupie.tail.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.